MB युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स आणि कल्चरल क्लब ह्या महिन्याच्या 19 ते 22 मजगती झेवियर डायस यादस्तीक ऑल इंडिया व्हॉलीबॉल सर्त घेतले। सर्तीत मँगलोर स्ट्रायकर्स, बॉम्बे पोर्ट ट्रस्ट, कर्नाटका स्ट्रायकर्स अश्यो भायल्यो जाल्यार गोयचे ओम शिव शंभू आणि बाकीचे खडेगांठ क्लब वांटो घेतले। आयोजकांनी पत्रकारांक सर्तीचे शेड्यूल सांगले। सर्त कुंकळे मुरिडा ग्राउंडार जातली। सगळ्यो मॅची रातच्यो 8:00 सुरू जातल्यो।
Every year, our club is organizing All Goa Volleyball Tournament for the last 3 years, and this year we are organizing All India Invitation Volleyball Tournament. Teams especially invited by the club from all over India. In memory, this tournament is in memory of our friend and volleyball player, former volleyball player Mr. Xavier Dias, who has played for different clubs from Pongoli and excels from 1988 to 1995. This tournament, there will be 10 teams from all over India participating, consisting of 2 groups. Group A will consist of team from Goa, and we have all Goan teams should have 3 players compulsory on court at any given during the match. This point we have put because we want to give opportunity to Goan volleyball players to participate and excel on par with Indian players. So Group A will consist of all Goan teams, and they have to, every team should have 3 Goan players. Group B will consist of all teams from rest of India.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।